And the rock Ian's Melody draws for your lead, then by the rail Hepburn in between runners Mr. Lindros, Sir Frederick sneaking in down on the inside, Tiger Afe and Grand Game is the early trailer. About to pass the last 900, now we have Hepburn in command by about a length and a half, then running on the outside Mr. Lindros moving up by the rail, Tiger Afe followed by Sir Frederick Ian's Melody. Grand Game is on the outside as they pass the last 600. Now we have Hepburn running by the rail, throwing a challenge on the outside. Mr. Lindros, Tiger Afe moving up by the rail. Sir Frederick, Grand Game now running in fourth on the outside as they turn for home. Hepburn still leading the field. Tiger Afe, Mr. Lindros, Grand Game is on the outside. But Hepburn refuses to surrender. Tiger Afe, Mr. Lindros is on the outside. Hepburn, another Jeff Sarari mount, crossing the wire first over Mr. Lindros. Tiger Afe took third. Grand Game, Ian's Melody, and Sir Frederick comes in last.
Talagang ayaw